Introducing the compact blender from Morphy Riches. Fantastically versatile. Ideal for soups, sauces, and smoothies.
Uh-oh, that food container won't contain your food. So you mess with cling film and foil, hoping food won't spoil. Well, not anymore. Introducing Stretch and Fresh Containers from JML. The amazing food storage containers with stretch and fit lids that let you store more. Even the odd-shaped foods you couldn't put in containers before. Watch, just stretch over the food and snap off the lid to keep food fresh. That's it. Instantly you've got an airtight seal that locks air out and locks freshness in to help stop spoilage, so food stay fresher for longer. Stretch and Fresh has a clear lid, so you can see what's inside, so food stays sealed, retaining their natural colors, nutrients, and fresh flavors. There's even a freshness date dial to track storage time, so foods don't go past their prime. With an airtight seal this tight, you can store onions without the odors, fresh fish fillets without the fishy smell, and store soups, dressings, and sauces without the licks and spills. Give the kids fresh, healthy grab-and-go treats instead of sweets. Whether you're packing today's work lunch or meals for work all week, store much more with Stretch and Fresh. It comes in the sizes you need to store all the foods you want with amazing storage capacity. It's freezer and microwave safe, so you can prepare, refrigerate, freeze, heat, and serve, all from one container. Now that's versatility. To clean, simply rinse or rack in the dishwasher, and the container's nest for compact, space-saving storage.
Hi friends, we are glad to be back to Kickstarter with our newest Dutch oven that's one of the greatest designs yet. The 5-piece set achieved from braising to baking, frying, boiling, and simmering. There's nothing you can't cook by Taste Plus Dutch Oven Set. How did we make it? First, the quality cast iron and enamel coating is used to strengthen durability and superior heat retention. The heating temperature continues to rise uniformly. Next, we consider multifunction as a key point to meeting kitchen various demands. So it is equipped with a specialized deep saute pan, achieved grill, and deep frying. All of them can be stacked into one set, super easy to store and save space.
Traditional sanitizing bottles cause inconvenience, more importantly, cross-infection by touching. Refilling and overflowing with soap is frustrating. Introducing EasyCap, your best choice to help you turn any bottle into an automatic pump. It makes each and every dispensing a breeze, and the pump will be triggered within 0.25 seconds with a range of 60 millimeters. The installation is super easy. Just screw it on the opening and plug it in. Then you can start dispensing. It fits 99% of the bottle openings.